I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction, no matter how.
Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. It has been so long since I filmed like a makeup tutorial. It almost feels so weird. I am obviously wearing a wig. I'll leave the info down in the description box below. But today's video is going to be on the Milani Gilded Desires. Oh, there we go. Gilded Desires eyeshadow palette. It is, oh, you can see how messy my desk is. It is such a beautiful palette. I'll shoot you right into the tutorial and I'll give you a review at the end of the video. Alright, so here is the Milani Gilded Desires eyeshadow palette. I'm starting off with the shade Crazy for Cocoa. It's that medium brown. And okay guys, we're doing this real speed instead of like sped up. So this is going to be quite slow. So you guys can kind of see how I work really. So I'm using that on a fluffy brush, but not a super fluffy brush. And I'm packing that in the outer V of my eye, and then I'm slowly bringing that up into my crease. Now with a brush that has nothing on it, I'm starting to blend out and diffuse the edge. See, like these blend out so nice, like you don't even need like a transition shade, which is amazing. Really great for like really like fast, like need to get moving, go to work looks, you know? Alright, so now I'm taking the shade Time to Unwind, which is that burgundy. And I'm kind of stamping that on the outer V lash line area. And then I'm going to go in and blend that out a bit. So as you can see, I'm blending very slowly with this. Then I just picked up more of the burgundy and I'm just stamping that over where I placed it before. I just wanted this to be a little bit more pigmented than it was. Now I'm taking Most Cove Rose, I think that's the name of it. And first I used my finger. This is how I'll apply it on like really fast makeup days. But then I picked up a brush and I think I wet it a little bit just so it was a little bit more foiled. And I'm just going over my lid. And then I picked up more of the burgundy shade because I wanted this to still be defined and not be super shimmery, if you know what I mean. And of course I took this up into my crease a bit. So then I'm just taking my blending brush from before and just going over that crease. Now I'm taking the brown down onto the lower lash line. I feel like this is moving so slow. Now I'm taking the burgundy onto the lower lash line as well. Next I'm taking Champagne Wasted on a pencil brush and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. This color is so pretty. I mean, their foiled shadows are just like out of this world. I love the formula. Alright, now I'm taking Desire for Gold, the gold shade, and just adding a little bit of gold onto the lower lash line area there. Then I'm taking Love Attic, and I'm placing this on the lower lash line But then I figured it was a little bit too red, so then I took more of the burgundy and went over that. Just doing some last minute blending. And then to finish it off, I popped on the House of Lashes Juliet lashes. And this is the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I decided to go in with the Milani Hypnotic Lights Holographic Lip Topper. I went in with this shade Luster Light over top of the Kira liquid lipstick. Alright, so the palette. It's so beautiful, you guys. I've been using this so much for like everyday wear. It's so pretty. Like, I love this rose gold shade and then this brown. Like, I can create just an eye look with those two colors. That's like what I've been doing for like my everyday wear. And then if I want to make it more dramatic, I'll like use some of these darker colors, and then I'll highlight the inner corner with this pearly color. And I hadn't tried the highlights until today, and like, so bright. I really like it, and it looks so smooth. Like, it doesn't look like flecks of glitter. That's what I love about the formula of these shimmers. They just look like foil. Oh, there's lip gloss in my nail. So smooth, and they just, they're so pretty, so pigmented. I thought I would have a problem with the mattes being satin mattes, but I actually didn't mind them in this palette. They're really, really smooth and really easy to blend, which is really great in my book. There is not a whole lot of mattes in this. I would say 4. I haven't used these 2 shades. I'm not sure if they are matte or not, but these 4 are matte here. And then of course you got your really pretty shimmery shades. But I really like this. It's perfect for everyday wear. It's perfect for glam looks. It's neutral, but I love it. So Milani gets a double thumbs up from me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have this palette down in the comments below, or if you will be picking it up after today's video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!